All right, guys, welcome back. Once again, this is Silver Britches. Thanks for tuning in. Appreciate you guys for stopping by. Oh, you got a lot going on, as do I. We all do at this point. And what I want to go over with you today is whether or not this is the dip we should be buying. Is this going to be it? Are we going lower? Are we going higher? And somebody did ask, I can't remember who, asked what this, looks like outside of the bag or outside of a coin capsule or the bar capsule in this case. Well, here you go. How is that for you? There you go. Pure naked 10 ounce Canadian bar. One of my favorites. Absolutely. Also, definitely enjoy those Silver Eagles. Can't get enough of those either. But as far as is this the dip that we should be buying? Is this the one should we be loading up on? Well, my answer quickly, I don't think so. I think we might be going a little bit lower. It's just a hunch. I have no idea. Nobody does. If we all did, we'd all be rich. I guarantee you. But nobody knows exactly how high or how low this is going. We do know what the information that is provided to us. And we do have an overall outlook as far as what the market is going to be doing and what it's going to be telling us. And also we have a direction from the Fed chairman, Mr. Jerome Powell. We have an answer from him as far as what he anticipates doing in the coming future. Now, if you listen to all the experts here on YouTube, we're running out of silver. We're running out of gold. There's only so much that you can get. Well, I'm not going to debate you on that. That's an argument that you can't win or you can lose. It's just not possible. But as far as being able to find silver, I can tell you one thing. I've never not had that problem. I've been able to find it no matter where I'm at, whether it's locally, whether it's online, just never had the problem. Some places, yeah, you might not have a local coin store. You might not be able to find it. Maybe your bullion dealer doesn't have the right contacts to get you this stuff. I can't answer all those questions. The only thing I can, make the assumption of is what I have in front of me and whatever I'm able to obtain. Now, I'm going to show you a chart right now, and we're going to go over this. And this is my understanding of what might be taking place. And let's see if we're all on the same page, because I'll know if I can kind of gauge my audience. A lot of you guys are in more than just silver. A lot of you are more than in just gold. Some of you guys are in the broader stock market, which I hope you are. And some of you, you're in other markets as well, just like I am. So let's go over that right now. All right, so what we're looking at right now is we're looking at the psychology of the market cycle, right? I know you guys have seen this. Well, let's go over it just a little bit. So I'm going to start right here, right at the beginning of it, okay? So it says right here, disbelief. And then there's also hope, a recovery is possible. All right. In my opinion, what we're looking at, that was in March of 2020. I mean, do you guys remember that? It seemed like, this is extremely bad. Everybody was thinking that. I was thinking that. I didn't pull the trigger like a lot of people did. I held back some resources and kind of kicking myself in the butt on that one. But I ended up getting in the market anyway. I just got in a little bit later than I wanted to. So then it jumps to optimism, belief, thrill, euphoria, right? But the next one is what I want to talk to you about. You see the little correction. Well, not little, but it was a nice correction. And then we get that nice bump back. That's complacency. And it just says we just need to cool off for the next rally, right? And then what does it do? It tanks, it tanks. And then it goes down to panic. Shift, everyone is selling. I need to get out, right? So my thinking is are we in this complacency stage? Because if you look at the S&P 500, if you look at things like Tesla, if you look at things like Bitcoin, if you look at things like Ethereum, if you look at the Dow, you look at all these indicators, it seems like we're on a rebound, right? It seems like we're going to break through But until we break through the resistance levels that's approaching, I just, I'm just cautious at this moment. I know I want to keep dollar cost averaging in, and that's the main goal. And as far as gold and silver is concerned, I don't look at these as like investments like everybody else does. I just don't. This is more of a savings vessel or something that I need in an emergency or something like that. I just don't look at it as the same way that everybody else does. But what I'm wondering is this the bottom that we should be buying, or is it going lower? That's the main thing that I'm worried about, and that's the thing that I'm keep questioning right now. Because one of the things that a lot of people are talking about is the commercial real estate market and the ticking time bomb that it may be. COVID changed things as far as the real estate aspect of commercial industry. It changed things a little bit for us. It opened things up online, right? Commerce online. It just created a monster that a lot of us are just addicted to now. So the commercial industry, I want to say it's $10 trillion industry worldwide. That's massive. And it's just something that I'm just a little hung up on right now. But I am still dollar cost averaging, right? That's the best thing that I know how to do. If I didn't dollar cost average, I would have not been able to buy in like I wanted to in the fall of 2022 when everybody was scared to death. And I can tell you for one thing, that was one of the smartest things I was able to do, because I was worried too. I thought, well, I might be blowing my load here, but I just felt that was the time to get back in. Well, now, I'm kind of anxious, right? The fear and greed index is extremely up. We know Jerome Powell is possibly going to raise interest rates 2 more times this year. It's not a fact. We just have to wait and see. We have to follow the roadmap. And also, I'm going to jump into the second part of this video, which is a sponsored part of the video.
All right, guys. So the company we're going to be profiling today is FE, or First Energy Battery Metals Corporation. And you can find them on any exchange. Here we are. We're on TradingView. I use them. You can always go over here to the right, get a little bit of the company profile if you want. Year to date, they are still up 66%. On the week, they're down 1.5%. On the monthly, they're down 30%. 3 months, 28%. The 6 month, they are up 44%. So for the year, they're down almost 11%. So of course, you can always go by this right here. You got to make your own. Judgment. So here is their website. Click on that, firstenergymetals.com. Gives you a more in-depth look at their website. So here it is. It is a junior resource company which engages in the acquisition, exploration, and development of mineral properties. Its projects include McNeely Lithium, Russell Graphite, Canadian Lithium, Augustus Lithium, Titan Gold. I'm not going to try that one. So they have quite a robust portfolio of mines, it looks like. So the company was founded on October 12th, 1966, and it is headquartered in Vancouver, Canada. So it's not just a brand new startup, okay? This has been around. It's been around for a minute. All right, so what we're going to look at, a little bit of price action. So we did get this extremely large pump here in March. I want to say Morris Invest did a video or company profile on them himself, and he got a lot of volume to come in here and just really bang up that price. And it actually did a little bit of a golden cross here with the 200 and the 50. But as you can see right now, we are trending down. And typically whenever you get a descending triangle like this, it's either going to break one way or it's going to break the other. Which way it's going to break, no clue, to be honest with you. But as far as what you can look at over here on the right, okay, check this out. Tesla. I talked about this earlier in the video. It's been pumping extremely hard. There's a reason for that. Okay, it's not just a car company. It's bigger than that. But as far as what they use, lithium is one of those things, right? And it's just a way of investing differently, right? You already got a lot of gains out of Tesla. There's still meat on the bones with something like this. So with a descending wedge like this, sure, the bottom, absolutely. I went all the way to the left here, and 15 cent looks like it is the bottom. Potential upside. It's a big upside. Okay, big upside on this one, and it's got room to run. Okay, so we just need this volume right here. We need that volume to come in. It's extremely low, which is concerning, but we just need some volume to pick back up, or else this is going to continue heading down to the bottom side. But this is a fantastic company. I'm thinking about scooping some up personally. This is not me saying to you to go ahead and buy it, but this is something that I like. But I'm looking outside the box, right? You have a little bit in Tesla, you have a little bit of Apple, VOO, VTI. That's the way I like to do it. Of course, I got a lot in gold, got some in silver, and this is a company that I like, and that's the reason why I agreed to doing it. And the potential's there. I liked Morris at Vest's video pretty good. He did a fantastic job at getting into the technicals of it a little bit more, a little bit deeper, and what exactly the company is going to be doing. So I'm going to link his video down below, and go check him out. That video's got over 1 million views, by the way. It's a fantastic video. But yeah, this is FE Battery Metals Corporation. It's one to watch. At least put it on your watch list. You don't have to buy it, but at least put it on your watch list. And if this volume traffic picks up, guys, you might want to jump in and get a little scoop. This was a great flip, and it was a great swing trade, if you know what I mean. And if it does dump down here into the 15s, the 15 cent level, I'm definitely going to be accumulating a good bit of this, because the potential is there. We all know what's going on. We all know what's happening, right? The EV market is blowing up. It's not going to change anytime soon. The run away from gas-powered vehicles, diesel vehicles, that's just the way it's going to be. And you want to be a part of the infrastructure, as far as the infrastructure of the United States here. We have to do a lot of upgrades in order to support these batteries. So you want to also be looking at that aspect as well. So more to come, guys. Appreciate you watching the video. Keep grinding on your stack.